Good evening.
Okay, guys, welcome to our class. Anna, hello, how are you?
Hello, fine, thanks, and you?
That's something nice. Well, I'm doing great today. Thank you for asking. Hello, Alexander, how are you today?
Hello, I'm doing fantastic. Thanks a lot.
That's fine. Okay, thank you for joining the class. Guys, I'm really sorry because yesterday I couldn't join the class. I couldn't connect because I didn't have electricity at home. Lights went off at 4:30 approximately. So we couldn't have the class, okay? But I'm really happy that you joined today. And well, I hope we can take advantage of time to practice and of course, okay, to learn about this topic. Maybe this is a topic you already know, but we need to practice, okay? That's something important that we need to practice a lot, okay? So everybody, well, tell me, are you ready for today's class? Yes?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, very good. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, well, as you may remember, today we started Unit 5. And we will study this unit from now to, well, this unit and then this week, sorry, and the next one, okay? So I hope all of you can practice and can complete activities on the platform, okay? Guys, thank you for joining. Let me share my screen with you, okay? Okay, guys, by the way, before we start the class, let me tell you that this is the last week of classes this year, okay? We will have classes today, of course, tomorrow, and on Thursday. It was supposed that we finished classes on Wednesday, but yesterday, since we couldn't have our class, we will continue with our classes today, Wednesday, and Thursday, okay? Alexander and Anna?
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, so in my case, I will be on vacation to tomorrow until the next week. So I don't think so. I'll be able to join the class in tomorrow and Thursday.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, if you are not able to do it, well, we will
No.
record the class. What about you, Alexander? Will you join, or do you have any inconvenience?
I guess tomorrow I can have the class, but on Wednesday I won't be able to have the class because I have an activity in the company, and
On
then
Wednesday or on Thursday? On Thursday, right?
yeah, sorry.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, don't worry.
Yeah.
If you can't join that day, well, don't worry. I will try to record. Well, I will record the two classes for you to watch the class on YouTube and continue practicing. Okay, that's the most important thing. I will always tell you guys. I will remind you every day. Please, guys, practice. Okay, complete all the activities on the platform to receive our diploma of intermediate level 1. Okay, very good.
Okay.
Guys, let's start the class. And as you can see today, we have an important question. It is, what countries do you want to visit? Well, maybe we have visited cities in our country or touristic places in our country. Maybe we had the opportunity to go to another country and also visit beautiful touristic places. But now I would like to ask you about countries you haven't visited yet. Okay, so what countries do you want to visit? To start, let me tell you guys that I want to visit Spain, also Mexico, and maybe I want to visit Colombia. Okay, what about you, Alex? What countries do you want to visit?
Could be Canada, Argentina, and Thailand, maybe.
Thailand.
Yeah.
Okay, that's kind of interesting. Why do you want to go to Thailand?
Um, because I saw some places there for the food, and I just in some movies I saw some places interesting.
Okay, that's
And
something nice. Continue.
and the last thing because it's a little large for the distance maybe, and I want to have a trip that
A long trip.
yeah, long trip maybe.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's nice. Where is Thailand? I mean, in which
It's in
continent?
Asia, Asia, I guess.
Oh, yes,
Asia.
it's in Asia. That's right.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, thank you for sharing, Alexander, about places you want to visit. Argentina, it's a nice place. Also,
Yeah.
Canada, actually, it's a very interesting place. And well, you have the opportunity to practice your English if you go there. So that's something nice.
Mhm.
And of course, Thailand is another great country. Okay, I don't know too much about them, but they sound interesting. Pretty good.
Yeah.
What about you, Anna? What countries do you want to visit? Thank you, Alexander.
Okay. I don't think it's his country, but I would like to visit Paris.
Oh, in France.
It's a place, yes, it's a place that has caught my attention, and especially caught my attention when when I watched Emily in Paris. I don't know if you know that series. So I love the places I'd watch it, but I don't remember the names of the places. So only the Eiffel Tower and the Sacred Basilica. But I would like to visit Paris. I love this place.
Only Paris?
Yes, only Paris. Maybe United States, but I prefer Paris.
Okay, well, at least this place I know a little bit about this place. So thank you for sharing, Anna, about the places you want to go. This is Paris. So Paris is a well, at least in pictures I have seen, it's a very beautiful city. As you mentioned,
Mhm.
it has a lot of touristic places like
Yeah.
the Eiffel Tower, which is a very famous
Mhm. Yes,
monument.
the city
Then
of the Romance.
that's right. That's
Say the people.
the city of love, of city of romance. So very good.
Yes.
Then, as you mentioned, the Basilica. There is another place, and it's the Louvre Museum, and it's another famous
Yes.
place you can go and visit. Okay. Thank you for
Yes.
sharing about this, everybody, about places you want to go. Maybe right now we don't have the opportunity to visit those beautiful countries we want to go to because of work, because of money, because of different responsibilities we have. However, everybody, I asked you because in this opportunity, we are going to talk about the modals, or in this case, the auxiliaries for future tenses, okay? In this opportunity, guys, let's study about going to and will, okay? I hope you are ready, because I am, okay? To start, let me show you the use of going to, okay? Before we start, I want to hear Anna. Anna, can you please read the example?
Yes. I'm going to adopt a dog next month.
Thank you. Okay. As you can see, each word or each part of the sentence is divided in different colors. First of all, in the structure, we have subject. Okay. The subject, as you know, is the first part of all sentences, right? After the subject, we have the verb to be. Remember that the verb to be always depends on the subject. After the verb to be, we use our auxiliary for a future, and it's going to. After that, we use a verb in base form. And the last part, the complement. So that is something basic, right? Something that all of us know. As you can see over here, we are talking about something in the future. In this example, we have a time expression as a complement, next month. As you know, everybody, there are specific time expressions that we can use according to the tense. If it is past, if it is present, or if it is future. So we have different time expressions. And over here, you can check where we place the future sentences, talking about going to, okay? First, we have the past, and as you can see, it is not part of the past, okay? This is the past, and the sentence is not in past. This is the present, now, and the sentence is not now. The sentence is in future. So all the yellow line is future, and it is talking about future. So we have another example. Can you read it, please, Alexander?
I'm going to travel to Italy.
Very good. I am going to travel to Italy. Okay, as you can see, we are talking about something in the future. Going to refers to future plans. As you see, the uses of going to over here, going to talks about two important things. First of all, future plans. All the plans that you have and that you have evidence about that are sentences using going to. And then for predictions, predictions are things that you think are going to happen in the future, but in this opportunity, pay attention that we need evidence. If we are using going to for a prediction, it needs evidence, okay? And we will check some examples about this, okay? So right now, let's move on to our next part, and it's the negative, okay? In negative, everybody, as you see, we have the same division of colors in the structure and the example. Alexander, can you read the example, please?
Okay, we are not going to sleep early.
Nice job, okay? We are not going to sleep early. Subject, first of all. After that, we need the verb to be. Then we need the word not to make the sentence negative. After that, we use going to, and then a verb in base form. Finally, we use a complement. Okay, as you can see, we use early. Okay, so we can use different words, different time expressions, or adverbs of time, depending on the sentence. As you can see, right now, we are talking about things that we are planning or we already planned, or predictions. Let me go back a little moment to going to. As you can see in these examples, we are talking about two things. First of all, future plans. Plans are things that you already organized or you already scheduled with some time in advance. Okay, for example, I am going to adopt a dog next month. So you already planned the specific time to have a new dog at home and to adopt it. Okay, so this is a future plan. Another example of a future plan is the sentence. We are not going to sleep early, okay? We are already on vacation, so we are not going to sleep early, okay? That's a plan, okay? That is something you already plan, okay? You already know that it's going to happen. But now, let's see the next example. Remember, the first use of going to is to talk about future plans. After that, we have predictions with evidence. This is an example of predictions with evidence. I am going to travel to Italy. I am going to travel to Italy. Well, if you want to go to another country, guys, where do you want to go? I want to go to Colombia. I want to go to Thailand. I want to go to France. Okay, but now in this example is talking about evidence, predictions with evidence. I mean, can you tell me what is the evidence we have about the future that this person is going to travel? Anna, do you have any idea?
Sorry?
Oh, repeat again, please.
Sorry, what do you say? Sorry, I can
Okay,
hear well.
the sentence, I am going to travel to Italy, is talking about predictions with evidence. Can you tell me what is the evidence about this prediction?
Travel to Italy? No?
Not really. Okay, that's we will say it like that. That's the plan, okay? Travel to Italy, that is the plan. So this is but in this case, the sentence is talking about prediction. What is the evidence, Alexander? What are your thoughts?
The ticket, he already bought the ticket.
Excellent, Alexander. That's the evidence. He already bought the ticket. Okay, I can say, for example, I am going to travel to Mexico. Okay, that will be my sentence. Okay, I am going to travel to Mexico, but I haven't bought the ticket. Actually, I don't have the money to buy the ticket by now. Okay, because I didn't save money during the year. But in that case, in my example, I have to use a time expression because I'm going to save money for it to make a plan, okay? From now on, I'm going to plan going to Mexico and I'm going to save money during the whole year. So I am going to go to Mexico in 2026, okay? So by that moment, I will have the money or I will save a lot of money to go to Mexico and spend some days over there. In that case, I used a time expression to show that this is a plan I have. Now, if I don't use any time expression, it can look like a prediction, but I need evidence. As in this example, I am going to travel to Italy. That person says that is going to Italy, is traveling to Italy, but because he already or she already has the ticket. If you don't have the ticket, so that is no evidence, right? This is just an idea you had for the future. Okay, so these are the uses of going to in these examples. As you see, future plans and also predictions. Another future plan. And now, everybody, let's move on to going to in interrogative form. Can you help me reading the question, Anna?
Are you going to travel to the USA next year?
Very good. It's talking about plans. Now, how do you answer that question in affirmative and negative? Affirmative answer, are you going to travel to the USA?
I am going to travel the next year, or no, I am not going to travel the USA next year.
Okay,
It is
very good.
USA next year. Sorry.
Okay, very good. As you can see, we can answer, well, Anna gave me the full form, the full answer. Yes, I am going to travel to the USA next year. Or no, I am not going to travel to the USA next year. They are correct. Also, another option is to use the short form. Yes, I am. No, I am not. Both are okay.
Okay.
Now, as you can see in the structure, when we use going to, we need to change the position or change the order of the subject and the verb to be. In an affirmative sentence, we say you are. In a question, a yes-no question, we invert their positions. You are you going to travel to the USA next year? That's the single change we have to do in yes, no questions. Instead of using subject, verb to be, we use verb to be and then the subject. After that, we use the going to, the verb in base form, the complement, and at the end, we use the question mark. Okay? After that, everybody look at this. We have the WH questions. Can you help me reading the question, Alexander?
What is she going to cook for dinner?
Okay, very good. Now, in this case, well, we have to use more information. Remember, WH questions basically ask for more information or for specific information about something that the person who asked that question doesn't know about. Okay, look at the structure. We have to use the same structure as in yes, no questions. But in this opportunity, we add at the beginning of the question a WH word. Remember WH words, what, where, when, which, why, who, okay? Well, who has a different structure in some cases, but information questions, WH questions, okay, are equal, are the same actually, okay? Now, do you have any question about the use of going to?
No question so far.
Okay, give me a second. Okay, right now, everybody, after checking the uses and the structure of going to, I would like to show you the, well, this is for future plans. These are the uses explained in a more, let me see. A little bit more, okay? As I told you guys, going to is talking about future plans. We have planned in advance. For example, he is going to buy a new car and they are going to get married, okay? As you see, they already have the plans, okay? Maybe in these examples, what is missing, it's missing, sorry, the time expressions, because if you plan something, in some cases you already have the specific time to complete or to accomplish that that plan, okay? For example, Alexander, do you have any plan for next year?
Mm, just continue learning English. I'm going to continue learning English. I guess just that.
That's it. Okay,
Hmm.
that's okay. What about you, Anna? Do you have any plan for next year? We are about to finish the year. That's why I asked you.
Yes, it is the same that Alexander said. Learn more English, and I going to more influency, more
More
fluency,
fluency. Okay.
more fluency. Yes, and I'm going to do exercise to stay in shape and for healthy.
Okay, those are great plans. So those are things you want to do next year. This time,
Yes.
well, at least if you want to go to the gym or do exercise, you know that this time is not a good time to do exercise because you have, well, most of us are going to eat a lot this month and have
Yes.
different celebrations at home,
Celebrations.
at work. So it's not
Yes.
possible, or it's really difficult to do it, right? Now,
Yes.
practicing English is something we can still do this year or this last day of the year. Okay, so those are plans that we can continue working on, right? This year and the next one. So next year we are going to continue on January 8th. Okay, well, I'm telling you in advance, everybody, we are going to come back classes on January 8th. Okay, it's Monday. Okay, Monday, January 8th. Okay, well, let's continue. But as you can see, guys, those are plans we have in the future. And we are sure when we are talking about future plans using going to, it's because we are sure about those plans. Okay, right now, everybody, I would like to move to going to for predictions. As I told you guys, we use going to make predictions when there is evidence in the present moment. If you have any evidence in present, in that case, guys, we can use going to make a prediction. Okay, right now, everybody, let's read the examples. Can you help me with the first one, Alex?
Oh no, he's going to sleep and fall over.
Okay, thank you for reading that example. As you can see, what is the present evidence we have in that example?
We notice that is an banana.
The banana.
There is a
Like-
banana skin, right?
Mhm.
So as you can see, he's distracted on his cell phone, and there is a banana skin. So what it is supposed to happen, or what it is obviously that is going to happen, is that he is going to sleep and fall over. Why? Because he isn't paying attention to the way, and well, the banana skin is exactly in front of him. Okay. Now, can you help me with the next example, Anna?
Okay. Look at the clouds. It's going to rain soon.
Nice. It is going to rain soon. Well done. Okay, good correction. Now, what is the evidence you have that it is going to rain?
The clouds are gray.
Very good. It looks dark. Okay, the sky looks dark, and well, that's the evidence we have. So it is going to rain soon. On the other hand, for example, if it is sunny, well, you know that it is not going to rain, of course. Well, these are some examples of predictions with evidence in the present moment. So guys, this is our information about going to. After learning a little bit about the use of going to, I would like to show you the use of will. Can you help me reading the first example, Anna?
Yes, you will enjoy the new film.
Okay, well done. Again, everybody, we divide this sentence into different colors. Subject, will, the verb in base form, and the complement. Now, let's see our next example. Can you read it, Alexander?
He will swim in the sea.
In the sea, okay?
In the sea.
In the sea. As you can see over here, the uses of will are, first of all, predictions. In this case, we make predictions with no evidence, okay? Predictions without evidence. For example, guys, El Salvador is going to classify to the World Cup in 2026. Do we have any evidence about that? That El Salvador national team is going to go to the World Cup?
No,
There is no
we
evidence.
don't have evidence.
Yes, there is no evidence because, well, if you like soccer, you can see they are not doing a good job. And of course, by now we are in serious troubles, right? Okay, as you see, this is a prediction. I expect that is going to happen, but no evidence about that. Now, the next use of will are quick decisions. It's also talking about the future, but as you can see, we are talking about quick decisions, something you decide at the moment, or something you decided at the moment, okay? And of course, as you can see in the timeline, of course, this is not in past, this is not in present, it's not noun, it's not now, it's in future. So the yellow line is in future, but as you see, in this case, will is closer to the present than the future because it's a quick decision. So it's something I want to do or I am going to do in a very short time. Okay, let's continue. Right now, remember, we are learning about the structures, first of all. In this case, guys, remember, we have the opportunity to use contractions. Can you help me reading the example, Alexander?
Will negative form, example, they will not come to classes.
Very good. Right now it's, let me see the time. Right now it's 25 to 6. It's obvious, guys, that our classmates are not going to come to classes. Maybe we have an evidence, right? In this case, we have an evidence. But imagine in some cases, so we can say a prediction. They will not come to classes, okay? Or I can say that, okay? About our next classes. They will not come to classes, or you will not come to classes without evidence in some cases. Or taking into account the predictions. Now, as you can see, everybody, we are using the complete form. Will not. Now, I want to remind you guys, if you have ever studied this topic, that will not has a short form, has a contraction, and the contraction is want. Okay, want. Again, we have different colors per each part of the sentence. First of all, we have the subject. After that, we have the auxiliary will, the word not, to make sentences negative, the verb in base form, and the complement. Okay, remember, will not can become only one, the short form want. Okay, very good. Now, this is negative, remember, negative form. It's talking about quick decisions and predictions. We will check that in a moment. But now I would like to show you the interrogative structures. Okay, can you help me reading the first question, Anna?
Will she study at the university next semester?
Nice job. What are the answers, affirmative and negative?
Yes, she will, or no, she won't.
Very good. Okay. Will she study at university next semester? Remember affirmative sentences. She will. Now, in interrogative form, we change the order of the auxiliary will and the subject. Instead of using she will, we say, will she? Will she study at university next semester? Will you continue learning English next year? Will you come to class tomorrow? Okay, as you see, everybody, we changed the position of the subject and the auxiliary will. Okay, now this is, everybody, the yes, no questions structure. Then we have an example of the WH questions. Can you read it, Alexander?
Where will he work after finishing his studies?
Very good. Where will he work? Now, again, we use the same structure as in a yes, no question, but at the beginning of the question, we use a WH word. In this case, we are using where. Remember, where is talking about places. Okay, where will he work after finishing his studies? We have to use the WH word, then the auxiliary will. After that, we use a subject, the verb in base form, the complement, and then we use the question mark. Remember, really important, guys, the punctuation. Okay, in affirmative and negative sentences, a period at the end of the sentence, and in questions, the question mark. Okay, these are, everybody, the structures for going to and will. So far, so good, everybody.
Yes.
Yes.
Great. So right now, guys, let me move to our next part. We are going to check the uses of will. As I told you guys, first of all, will is talking about predictions, about things you think will happen. As you can see, there is no firm evidence. When we want to mention or say a prediction, but we don't have evidence about it, it's better if we use will, okay? For example, Alexander, can you read it?
To talk about prediction about things you think will happen, there's no firm evidence. Example, he will score many goals this tournament.
Very good. Maybe he's the best player in the team. So we can make a prediction about it, okay? We don't have evidence. We know that he is the best player because he plays very well everywhere he goes. But now, everybody, there is no firm evidence because the tournament hasn't started yet. But we are trying to make a prediction about something that can happen, okay? He will score many goals this tournament. At the end, we will say it if it happens from time to time. Now, this is a prediction. Now, remember my prediction, guys. El Salvador's national team will go to the World Cup in 2026. That's my prediction. Now, let's move on, everybody, and check will for quick decisions. To describe, we use will to describe a decision you have just made. Something you decide in a quick moment, you decided quickly without considering that too much. Okay, can you help me reading this example, Anna?
Yes. I'll do my homework early in the morning so I can rest more time tomorrow afternoon.
Okay, thank you. As you see, guys, as you can see in this example, this person, or in this context, is a quick decision. I'll do my homework tomorrow. I'll do my homework early in the morning, so I can rest more time tomorrow afternoon. So you took a decision in a moment, okay, in a short moment. You didn't consider that too much, so you took the decision. And in this case, you also have a result, okay? I can rest more time. As a result, I can rest more time tomorrow afternoon, okay? It's a quick decision without planning too much. I'm going to do this and this and this. In that case, we just take the decision in a short time without thinking too much about that or considering if something can change or if I have to do things step by step. Just a quick decision. Okay? These are the uses, guys, of will. Do you have any question? What is it clear, or is there anything I can help you with?
It's clear.
It's
I think it's
clear.
clear.
Nice. Okay. If it is clear, well, guys, I would like to continue with our practice time. In this opportunity, well, we are, well, you are two people, so we are going to make a practice about going to versus will. Okay. Team one, it's going to be, let me see, I'm going to edit this. I'm sorry, guys, I'm having troubles with the internet. Okay, team one is going to be, well, ladies first. So Anna, you are going to be team one, and Alexander, you will be you are going to be team two, okay? We have numbers from 1 to 16. Right now, pick a number and then tell me the correct sentence. Okay, Anna? Tell me a number.
Okay.
Number?
3.
3.
Number
Nice. Let's
3.
see. Would you like to come to my house for dinner and talk about this? Good idea. Some wine. What do you think? I will or going to?
I am going to bring some wine.
Okay, let's check. I am going to, right?
Yes, I'm going to.
Okay. This is incorrect. Tell me, Anna, why is it incorrect? Is it a plan I made with time, with a lot
For
of time
me,
in
it's
advance?
a plan. It's a plan for me.
Yes, it looks like a plan, but do you think
It's a
this
quick
person
decision.
is
It's
a
a
quick
quick
decision?
decision, right?
Yes,
Okay,
that's
okay.
right. As you mentioned, this is a plan. Well, I'm planning something with my friends, but I didn't take a lot of time to plan it. I did it in
Okay.
a quick moment. Okay, so remember that that example. Okay, so I'm really sorry. Okay, but
Okay.
no points, Anna. Let's move to Alex. Okay,
Okay.
Alex, tell me a number from 1 to 16.
10.
10. Okay, let's see. What are your plans for next week? To New York on business. Probably on Tuesday, but I haven't bought my ticket yet. Okay, what do you think?
I will.
I will. Let's check. Oh, I am going to. Okay. Why do you think
It's
this?
easy. It's
Yeah,
confused.
yeah, it's kind of confusing, but let's try to check the uses of some words. In this case, maybe we got confused because this person said, I haven't bought my ticket yet. Maybe that's why it was confusing. But as you know, or as you can see over
Evidence.
here, it is mandatory for him to go to New York because he is going for business, okay, for business purposes. It means that it is something sure that he's going to New York, okay? He's going to fly to New York. He is pretty sure about that. Okay, Alexander?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So in this round, no points, okay? I know it was confusing, guys, but I know this is the opportunity to do it better, okay? Anna, can you tell me a number?
Number 7.
Number 7, okay? Let's see. Okay, if you don't stop bullying her, the teacher.
I will tell the teacher.
Okay, I will tell the teacher. Let me tell you, Anna, that yes, That's correct.
Yes.
Okay, I will tell the teacher.
It's a
As you
quick
see,
decision for
quick
that, I
decision.
suppose. Okay.
Very good. Quick decision. Nice job. Okay, let's move on to Alex. Alex, tell me a number.
1.
1. Okay. Okay. He is always late. I'm sure he late tomorrow too.
He's always late. I'm sure he going to late tomorrow too.
He is going.
He's going to be late.
He's going to be late. Okay. Let me tell you, Alex, that your answer is also correct. As you can see, I am sure. Okay. If you are sure about something, going to. Okay. Very good. Let's continue. Next example, Anna. Next number.
Number 11.
11. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I'm really sorry, Anna, but you lose 25 points. Okay.
Oh,
Sorry. Now
okay.
you have to win.
Negative.
You need 15 points to have at least 0. Okay. So I'm sorry. Let's continue with Alex. Okay, Alex, tell me.
Number 5.
5. Okay, let's see. Okay. Why are you wearing your best suit? I lunch with my biggest customer.
Are you going to have lunch with my biggest customer?
Okay, I am going to. Very good. Thank you. That was great, Alex. So now you have more points. Okay, very good. Anna, let's continue. Tell me another number.
Okay, number 2.
Number 2. Okay. Okay. What are your plans for the holidays? Well, we are about to be on holidays. So tell me, what are your plans for the holidays? My parents for a few days, and then go walking in Scotland.
Okay, I am going to visit my parents for a few days.
Okay, pretty good. I am going to visit. So well done. Okay, thank you, Anna. Now you have minus 5 points. Okay, so,
Negative yet.
but you are closer to a positive number. Alexander, tell me another number,
16.
please. 16. Okay, let's see. Oh, give points to Anna. I'm really sorry, Alex. But tell me, how many points do you want to give her? 5, 10, 15, or 20?
25.
You want to give 25 points to Anna?
Yeah.
Okay. But it means you have minus 5, Alex.
Okay.
Yeah, so you
changed the number.
you gave her your points. So I'm sorry, Alex. Now you change
Okay.
positions. Okay.
Yep.
Anna, now it's your opportunity.
Number 6.
Number 6, okay. Oh, go to last place, Anna. So I'm sorry. It means both of you are in minus. Well, you are in negative numbers, guys. Come on. Okay.
What happened with that game?
Okay. So let's see who's the winner. Let's continue with Alexander. Tell me, Alexander, another number.
Now I am winning.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh, number 4.
Number 4. Okay. It's 5 o'clock already. We, the bus.
We're going to miss the bus.
We are going to miss the bus. Okay, pretty good. Now, Alex, you are in positive numbers. So pretty good. Okay, you have 10 points. Anna has minus 10 points. Okay, so really close. Okay, 20 points. Let's see. Anna, tell me another number.
Okay, number 12.
Number 12. Okay, let's see. Do you want me to help you? No, thanks. John, Me.
Will help me.
John will help me. Okay, let me show you. Oh, Anna, I'm really sorry, but this is not correct. Okay, is going to, because this person, John, this person is pretty sure that John is going to do it. So I'm sorry. No?
Okay.
Well, Alex, this is your opportunity. Tell me another number.
13.
13. Okay, let me show you. I feel really tired. I think I to bed.
Will go to bed.
I think I will go to bed. Very good. Okay, so you have 10 more points. Okay. Well, these are the last 2 rounds. So Alex, you have 20 points. Anna, you have -10. But who knows? Maybe things can change in these last rounds. So Anna, go ahead. It's your opportunity.
Number 8.
Number 8.
I
Okay.
hope so.
Watch out. You yourself.
You are going to hurt yourself?
Okay. Very good. You are going to hurt yourself. Okay, maybe. Well, as you remember, there are some words that can help us to identify the correct tense. Watch out. In this case, be careful, right? Be careful. You are going to hurt yourself. Thank you. Against,
Oh my God.
tell me another number.
Okay.
Me? 15.
Okay. I've already decided. A new car.
I'm going to buy a new car.
Going to buy. Okay, thank you. So now,
Eh,
35 points. Well, Anna, I'm really sorry. Okay, so in this opportunity, you lose, but let's try to make some points. Okay, 9 or 14.
18?
14. Okay, pretty good. I don't think their holidays by the sea again.
They will not spend their holiday by the sea again.
Well, I don't think they won't spend, or they will spend.
Yes, one.
Okay,
Ah,
let's see.
will.
Will
Yes,
spend.
it
Okay,
is.
I will give you the points because at last you make the correction. Okay, so you have 10 points. Thank you. And now, Alex, let me show you number 9. Okay, just to finish with the activity. Would you like tea or coffee? What is the correct answer, Alexander?
I will have coffee.
Very good. I'll have coffee. Okay, as you can see, well, congratulations, Alexander. Okay, he's the winner in
Good
this.
job, Alexander.
Good job, Alexander. It was kind of difficult. Actually, it was, I don't know, but it was funny, okay, to see that you were earning and losing
Yes.
points. But I hope, guys, we learned and we also identified when to use going to and will. So I ask you guys, please practice, okay? Continue practicing and do your best in this unit. Remember, this is the last unit of intermediate level 1. So please, guys, complete all the activities. This week,
Okay.
we have to start with activities of unit 5, okay? I will ask you, please, guys, try to start working on activity 5.0. Remember, 5.0 is the activity, it's the description of the unit. It has the name and the objectives, okay? So please try to work on them.
Okay.
Well, I recommend you guys to finish until activity 5.2.1. However, guys, since we have around 2 weeks to complete this unit, you can complete activities a little bit slower. Okay, so if you want, guys, I recommend you at least for tomorrow complete activities until 5.1.3. Okay, at least
Okay.
for tomorrow. Okay, then
Okay.
guys, we will continue with this activity maybe for Wednesday or Thursday. Okay.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay, guys, thank you for joining this time. I hope we can continue working on it tomorrow in case you are coming. If you are not coming, guys, I hope to see you on Thursday or next year, right? Thank you for joining,
Okay.
guys. See you next time.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.